Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to create an application in the Consultancy module. This is where a client's service request comes together with all its supporting documents in one place. Let's get right into it. First, navigate to your homepage and select Consultancy. From the drop-down menu, click on Applications to open your application's dashboard. To start a new application, click the Create button. This will open the application details form. Begin by selecting your target customer profile from the drop-down. Next, select the service from the Services drop-down, for example, Cybersecurity Strategy. Use the calendar picker to select the application date. Then head to the Remarks section. Here, type in any specific goals for the application, for instance, wanting to audit the team. Capturing these notes early keeps everyone aligned on what the client actually needs. When you're done, click Next to move on to the Document Upload section. In this section, you'll attach the necessary legal and planning documents. These specific requirements were actually set when we configured the consultancy services in an earlier tutorial. Click Browse next to the Non-Disclosure Agreement requirement to pull the NDA file from your ERP's file library. Create a consultancy folder in the library and click into it to open the Consultancy tab for your upload, a tidy way to keep client files organized. Then click Upload Files to open the Upload dialog, locate the PDF on your computer, and upload it. This confirms the PDF has uploaded successfully. Now click on it to add it to your application. You'll now see the document on your application. Just repeat this same process for any other required document. Once all your mandatory documents are attached and confirmed, click Create to finalize and save the record. And there it is. Your new application now appears on the Applications page. And that's a wrap on consultancy applications. You've just learned how to create an application, add remarks, and attach the required documents. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to assign an agent to an application, view its details, and add tracking. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your consultancy management system.